dear student, welcome to you in today's lecture of English grammar. I hope dear student you all are stay safe at home and watching videos regularly. So student, in today's lecture we are going to just continue the part comprehension which we have already started in previous lecture. So in previous lecture we have seen one of the important topic which is based on one of the important passage, and it is based on the electricity part. And today's lecture we are going to see one more passage, and after reading that passage we have to just find out the answer. Our today's paragraph is based on the topic of Himalaya. So student, just take out your book and open your book page number 171. So as you all know that Himalaya mountain ranges are very popular among the all over the world, and as you all know that these mountains, this mighty mountain ranges, it stretches east to west, and it's covered some part of our India, and it is very beautiful place to see. So here you can see the some areas like Bhutan, Nepal, China, Pakistan, India some parts, and Tibet some part is also covered by the Himalaya mountain ranges, and it is worldwide popular also. So as we can talk about the physical features of India, so it is also one of the important parts. So that we are going to see some more information about the Himalaya, as we all know that it is one of the beautiful places, and from all over the world people come to visit. Millions of people come to visit every year to see the beauty, and the beautiful pictures of Himalaya mountain ranges. So student, let's get started. I hope you have taken out your book and just open your book page number 171. So student, the near about 1,500 miles, these mighty ranges stretches the area near about 1,500 miles east to west. Himalaya mountain ranges ने लगभग कितना एरिया 1,500 miles to एरिया वो कवर किया हुआ है. The Himalaya are pictures mountains. The Himalayas are pictures mountains. Pictures means attractive mountains. The Himalayas are the attractive mountains located in northern India. As you can see that it is located in the northern India. वो northern India में situated है. They cover 2,000 miles from Kashmir to Assam, and approximately it is covered 2,000 miles from Kashmir to Assam, और कश्मीर से लेकर आसाम तक लगभग उसने कितना एरिया कवर किया है, नियरली 2,000 miles. Some of the world's highest peaks are in the Himalaya, and some of the highest mountain peaks is also located in Himalaya. The highest peak in the Mount Everest. The highest peak is the Mount Everest, and as we all know, if we talk about the Himalaya mountain ranges, so the highest peak of the Himalaya mountain ranges, and that is Mount Everest. Many peaks of Himalayas are covered with snow throughout the year. Many peaks of Himalayas, और Himalayas के जो बहुत सारे जितने भी peaks हैं, it is covered with snow throughout the year. पूरे साल भर तक वो क्या रहते throughout, it was completely covered with the snow. Therefore the names Himalayas means abode of snow. Therefore the names of Himalayas, it's abode of snow. Abode of snow means we could say the house of snow or home of snow we could say. So we could say here the literary meaning of Himalaya is abode of snow. What does the mean by abode of snow? The area which is covered completely throughout the year, it is covered with the snow. So that's why it is said to be abode of snow. Now the next paragraph, there are many beautiful lakes and forests in the Himalaya. There are many beautiful lakes and rivers, lakes and forests in the Himalayas. Many passes connect India to Nepal, and many passes are there which is connected India to Nepal, China and Pakistan. Many rivers like Ganges, Yamuna and the Brahmaputra, the Indus and the Satluj and the Beas flows from these mountains, and from this mountain some rivers is going to flow, and the name of it Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj, and the Beas also. The climate and scenery of these mountain is enchanting. The climate and the scenery, the pictures, the scenery is very attractive and it's enchanting. It's attractive to the visitor or the people. People from all over the world come to enjoy and relax amidst the beauty of the hill stations here. So the people from all over the world, they come to enjoy and to getting some relaxation time from their busy schedule and amidst the beauty of the hill station here. So they come to visit to enjoy the places and to enjoy and to get some to relax and to just spare some time in that beautiful places. So student, this passage is based on the Himalayas beauty. Here we have seen some important points which is related or which is based on the Himalaya mountains ranges. It is one of the important and attractive places to see. So I hope you have understood it very well. Now after reading this passage, we have to just see the question answers which is based on this paragraph. So let me start. So the first, as you can see, the space is not provided to writing the answer. So you can just take a page and note it down the answers. Note it down the answers, or you may just take the answer if it is given in the paragraph. So let us see. The first question is, the name Himalayas means the abode of snow. The name Himalayas mean the abode of snow. Give reason. We have to just give a reason that why the Himalaya means the abode of snow. Because as you can see, the answer is given. Many peaks of Himalaya Himalayas are covered with snow, throughout the year. Throughout the year, therefore the name Himalaya means the abode of the snow. The name Himalayas means abode of snow. So it's the first one question's answer. Now let me see the second one. Why do Himalayas attract people from all over the world? Why the people attracted to the Himalaya? Because of its natural beauty. Why the people attracted? Because it's very beautiful place to visit. People attracted Himalaya because of its natural beauty. Now, so here the first two questions are done. Now let me see the next question. Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answer. Here we have to just find out the correct one option from the given options. So for the first one, the highest peak is Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Karakoram or K2. So what is the correct one answer? Yes, Mount Everest. Now the second one, the Himalaya ranges have passes that connect to the neighboring countries of India. Like the Himalaya ranges have passes that connect to the neighboring countries of India like Nepal, China, Pakistan or all of these. So what is the correct answer? Yes, all of these, because by the Himalaya ranges, by the passes, we could say that some neighboring country neighboring country like Nepal, China, Pakistan, they all are they connected to the India. So the correct one answer is all of these. Now the next question. Many rivers flow through the Himalaya mountain ranges. Many rivers flow through the Himalaya mountain ranges, and one of these is Godavari, Krishna, Indus or Mahanadi. So which river name is mentioned in the paragraph? Yes, some names are given. So just among them, just only Indus river name, as you can see in the option. So that's why the correct one answer is Indus. Now the next question. Comprehend the meaning of the phrase abode of snow in the passage. Comprehend the meaning of the phrase abode of snow. Abode of snow in the passage. Mountain covered with snow, home of snow, icebergs or glaciers. So what is here? What we get the correct meaning abode of snow, and that is mountain covered with snow. As we have seen, many of the mountain ranges that is covered with the snow throughout the year. So that's why the name of the Himalaya is given abode of snow. It is the literary meaning of it. Now the next one question. The tourists visit hill station. The tourists visit hill station for sightseeing, entertainment, pleasure and relaxation, or all of these. Why do the tourists visit hill station? Yes, for the entertainment also, for looking a beautiful sight, looking beautiful pictures, and as well as for the places and relaxation also. So the correct one answer is all of these. So let I repeat it once again. Just note it down. First one, the highest peak is the Mount Everest. Second, the Himalayan ranges have passes that connect neighboring countries of India like all of these. It means Nepal, China and Pakistan. Next, many rivers flow through the Himalaya mountain ranges, and one of these is Indus. Next, comprehend the meaning of the phrase abode of snow in the passage is mountains covered with snow, home of snow, glaciers or iceberg. It is mountains covered with snow. Next one, the tourists visit hill station for all of these. It means for the entertainment, for the pleasure and relaxation, and for the sightseeing. So student, here we have seen the first question and the second one as well. Now let us see the next question. Which hill station did you visit recently? Tell us what you liked most about the place. So it is your homework today, so you have to just do it. Do complete question C on page number 172. On page number 172. So student, it's today's homework that you have to do, that which hill station did you visit recently, and tell us what you like most about the place. So I hope you have understood it very well. So dear student, as I have given you one more homework to read first one solved passage and try to just find out the answers from the paragraph. And if you are having some paragraph, if you could see in any book or any comprehension part, so it's your homework to, as a practice, you have to just solve many worksheet where you can see some examples for the comprehension part. So I hope you will do it very well, and you have to just complete your today's homework itself also. So student, will meet you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.